3/4 of the earth is water. However, it is becoming more and more scarce. Rainfall is decreasing as the population and pollution is increasing, which is why at Serimax we make it our priority to maintain secure welded infrastructures day in and day out. With specific welding solutions, we make it possible for families to access safe water and sanitation through a welded water line which is secure and resistant to contamination. Our processes provide quality, strength and pipeline integrity. Our welding processes are selected based on the criteria for minimal commissioning flushing, reducing the quantity of water lost during this process. We know that remaining on schedule is key to exceeding operational expectations, because even in countries with adequate water resources, water scarcity is not uncommon. Find out more about Serimax at serimax.com, your welding partner.